guys, today I'm going to give you the review of a new software called Explaindio. Explaindio does is it allows you to create your own videos even if you don't have any idea on how to make a video. Using this you can create doodle animation and whiteboard videos, 2D and 3D animated videos, full motion videos and explainer videos. The technology they are using is called Warp. You get access to easy to use drag and drop creator that allows you to create videos within minutes. On PC and Mac, you can create and export as many videos as you want. Create multiple animations at the same time, full 3D animations. You get access to 180 plus pre-made text animations, full multi-timeline editing, import videos and images. You can you get access to 600 pre-made animated scenes, over 300 plus fonts included, access to over a million royalty-free images and videos which you don't get with any other software. You also get access to background audio tracks. You can easily export your videos with horizontal, vertical, and square options. You get access to 6 animated characters and step-by-step tutorial that will help you to learn and understand what the software does. So believe me, the software is very easy to use. The videos you create are engaging and attractive that helps you to get more leads and sales with 100% free traffic. You can tell your own story or promote a product. You can engage with visitors, explain and get them taking action. More than 35,000 creators, marketers and entrepreneurs are already using Explaindio. Let's look at some of the more features of Explaindio. You get access to multiple animations at the same time, full multi-timeline editing, full 3D animations. You can import external 3D templates, 3D models and animation customization. You get access to 180 plus pre-made text animation. You also get access to 140 plus pre-made video, image, doodle objects, animations, easy video creation wizard, keyframe animation. Built-in transitions, you can also import videos in most popular formats like AVI, WMV, FLV, MOV, and MP4. You get access to over millions stock photos and videos, which you can use as featured or as background. It comes with three plans: monthly payment, annual payment, or one-time payment. I guess this is the best software to create videos on the market right now. So go check this out. Only $37 you get access to software, stock footages, stock images, stock videos. See all of these only for $37 a month if you pay on a monthly basis. For annual basis, $67 per year, and if you want to pay for lifetime, uh, go for $497. First, I'd recommend you to first buy it and try the software for $37 per month. If you like in the first month, then go for annual or $497. That is one-time payment. Otherwise, just leave it. You should buy from the first link in the description. If you buy from the first link in the description, I'll give you an exclusive bonus that will not get anywhere else. Get access to a PDF of top 100 traffic sources for marketers in 2022. Make sure to buy from the first link in the description to get the bonus. How to claim the bonus? Just send a screenshot of your purchase to the first email given in the description and I'll send you the bonus.